Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 90, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to choose apps over here and select permissions. Then click on permissions again and pick one of your phone's features like location. Then click on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome and pick one of the options, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using and go back. So now, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device location while I'm using it. But you can also click on one of your apps, choose see all current permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!